Hi guys! It is COVID lockdown time right now. I shouldn't sound happy, but you know what? I'm happy for the marine life. I saw a shark twice this week here where I'm standing. This is why I'm shooting it here, just in case if you're lucky to see a shark. And I want to share with you. I saw one over there and one over at the corner right there. I'm Melissa and you're watching Mel's Scuba World on YouTube. I want to share ideas on how to become an eco diver. Oh my god, let's help this beautiful environment, and not to forget the beautiful aquatic life. We want to protect them for our future generation. We want to go to a dive site that we've been and come back later with our kids, grandkids, and still look the same, or perhaps maybe even better. That will be amazing. So here are some things that I usually do before I go on to my own dive trick myself. So we think step by step. By doing this, I think we will think about our each move we make, and it will help. Does it help with the environment? Do we hurt the environment? Okay, so think about, like, for example, the sunscreen is a big deal to talk about. So you want to have a reef safe sunscreen. Yeah, so I come up with few ideas here that I want to talk to you guys. Yeah, so number one, you want to pick a responsible dive center. Read reviews, research if they are eco dive center. You want to see if they maybe do recycling. A lot of projects are aware. Are they a greenfin member? Yeah, do they practice greenfin habits as a diver? For example, no kicking and stirring up bottom, and they add it on to their dive briefing. Then leads to number two. After picking your destination and your dive center, you want to think about your travel bag. You want to bring your own reusable bag or a tote bag, so that when you buy things during your travel, you have your own bag, not plastic. Also bring your water bottle or bamboo toothpaste, your eco-friendly shampoo, soap, lotion, and of course, don't forget, again, the reef safe sunscreen. Okay, think about the chemical in the sunscreen that will get washed away from your skin and get into this beautiful water. Think about that. Number three, think about your behavior underwater. Do you kick the corals? If you do enroll yourself and do the peak performance buoyancy specialty course. This course will help you and improve your position under the water when you take camera. Do not put price on taking care of the environment, please. They are priceless, and this is our responsibility to take care of them, as we are the one that enter the world. Respect it. Take photo, leave only bubbles. Boop, 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 boop. Number four, you can join Project Aware underwater cleanup. Don't let your dive go to waste. Have a mesh bag, pick up trash here and there when you see it under the water. Also, there are many beach cleanup projects you could join too. It doesn't have to be just in the water. As a diver, you want to do it. It's also from the land, because trash comes from the land itself, and it get washed away into this beautiful sea. When you walk down to your dive center from your hotel room or along the beach, pick up trash when you see it. Try to have a slower walk on the shoreline. Try to find cigarette butts. Yep, cigarette butts are everywhere. It's so sad. Number five, wash your diving gears and wetsuit properly. During this COVID-19, we need to use a special chemical to help prevent the disease, right, being transmitted. So watch how the dive center dispose the water, right? Do they follow a greenfin COVID-19 guideline? Yeah, how do they handle this type of trouble? As we will get in the water, we still want to care for the environment because we have those chemicals on our gears and on our wetsuit. Think about that. Be the voice of the fish and the corals, and don't put the eyes on the beautiful shells by the beach and pick them up. That leads to number 6. Watch what you take home. Do not buy gifts from the ocean like shells, necklace, bracelet, keychain that come out from the sea. Remember, these will create demands if you buy them. People will take things from the ocean because it's pretty. They take shells. They tend to take them off underwater and sell them now. It's bad. Snails are endangered now because they don't have shells anymore, okay? Other aquatic life get overpopulated and destroy the whole coral reef, like crown of thorn is overpopulated because we don't have triton snail. So guys, have you ever encountered bad divers behaviors, like divers bring bread in a water bottle while diving and squeeze it to feed the fish while they go diving? I thought this behavior is like snorkelers do it, yeah? Or I see some people sit on a jet float here and feed them. So you are a diver. I beg you to educate yourself more and learn about this. Maybe start with fish and coral identification class. When I saw this happen in the water, oh my God, my heart just stopped. It's crazy. Okay, if you don't know why fish feeding is bad, subscribe my channel to hear more about it. Stay tuned for the videos. I would love to share it with you, to educate you. Sorry if you done it before. Forgive yourself, okay? If you also want to become a better diver, I do have videos under my description below for tips on how you can practice at home a few skills during this lockdown. Okay, this is the best time for us to improve ourselves before we getting back into this beautiful water. I also want to share with you where you can buy your water bottle, bamboo toothpaste to give you the head start of being an eco diver yourself. Okay, share, comment, like this video to spread awareness and the love for me. Till then, thank you so much for watching.